guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So we will be talking briefly about the Tim Norman case. Today, Monday, was going to actually be the last day of the actual trial. There's another person who's supposed to testify, and he actually would not be in St. Louis until tonight, so he will actually have to testify tomorrow. Tim's case had a lot of people from the Sweetie Pies cast and people that surrounded the family, friends and whatnot. And they were actually supposed to testify, but it was thrown out by the judge. Character witnesses were not allowed, so therefore they were not able to testify. Chris, I think his name is Connolly. Every time I think about his name, I forget it. I'm sorry about that. I will put it in the description. They call him White Boy Chris. Well, he did actually take the stand today. He took the stand and he said absolutely nothing. Every single question that they asked him, he pled the fifth. YL's, he was supposed to be subpoenaed. They actually never got to serve him. YL Magnum or whatever his name is. I can't say it right, but YL Nagman, something like that. Anyway, he was supposed to also be subpoenaed, but his attorney said that if he does take the stand, he's doing the same thing, that he is not saying anything. So I guess they just decided to leave that as is. Now, everybody's big question, where's Miss Robbie? Where's Miss Robbie? Where's Miss Robbie? Miss Robbie did show up today. She did actually come today. She was supposed to testify, but the thing was, they tried to get a piece of Andre's mom's testimony thrown out, and that was the part of her testimony to where she spoke with Miss Robbie, and Miss Robbie speculated about the fact of Tim actually having something to do with the case. Well, I'm assuming that she was one of these character witnesses that the judge decided not to allow to actually take the stand because, number one, she sits here on one side of the token and says, this is my son. It's like a marriage, to death do us part. But then on the other side, she's wondering, could he have actually had something to do with this? Now, I do know that she did do an interview and say that she hopes her son can get out of this, that they are hoping for a miracle and that he has not been adjudicated as guilty and that she hopes that he had nothing to do with it and that he gets out of this. But I guess behind the scenes, she may kind of wonder herself. So I guess because of this and because of the judges saying, no character witnesses, is non-disputed the person that he is based on the evidence, she did not actually take the stand. So she was not able to take the stand for her son. She did, however, come to court today. So I'm assuming she'll be in the courtroom for the rest of the time, which will probably be one day because, it is what it is. They have one more witness and then the defense rests. The prosecution has already rested. So that is what happened today. White Boy Chris took the stand. He was not able to really say anything of substance. Ed also took the stand to attest to his position in security, and YL, however you say his name, I really hate to say it wrong, but I'm not really sure, YL Nagman or Magnum or something like that. But anyway, he will not be testifying. They could not find him. They could not get him served. And at this point, they feel it's too late, not to mention he said he ain't saying nothing, no way. So that's what's going on. Tomorrow, the last person that's supposed to take the stand will be a producer from the show, and I'm not sure what he's even contributing, but he will be taking the stand. And that is it. Now, I do want to say something else. I don't know if you guys knew this. So, when Tim actually spoke to Andre's mother, and had Andre brought back up there, you know, that's when he started talking to the insurance agent about getting the policy on him, right? Now, another thing that was discussed in court was the fact that Tim did put Andre in a music school, and he was supposedly paying for it. I'm not sure if it's true or not. And also, although it was actually on paper, I do want to say that what Miss Robbie said was alleged, because I don't want her suing me, child. Anyway, when Tim talked to YL about getting the insurance policy on Andre, when he spoke of Andre's mother, he called her a piece of crap in the doggone text messages, and they were read out in court. So not only did he contact her, tell her, hey, send your son up here, you know, and then after Andre was shot, didn't even contact her, say I'm sorry for your loss or anything. He then turned around and calls her a piece of crap. But yet he want people to testify saying that he has good character. Child boo. Anyway, honey, that was it. I'm going to conclude my video now, and I will be back with you tomorrow about the Tim Norman trial and let you know how everything concludes. And I guess by the end of the week, we should know something. Tell me what y'all think below. Just tell me what y'all think below. He's awful. He's just awful. Tell me what y'all think below. I'll see y'all in the next video.